Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have become crazy by these chocolates, but today I'm doing another chocolate opening. So here it is. It's the Galaxy Christmas collection, and here is a small red Christmas tree. Very cute, very cute. And I know Christmas is over, but that doesn't mean you cannot eat Christmas chocolates. So let's get on with the video. Let's get started. So here it is. So guys, here is the Galaxy chocolate, the Galaxy full chocolate pack, actually Christmas collection, everyone knows that. And here is the whole thing, and you can see like here is one place so we can zip it off like LOL, I guess. Okay, so here it is. Now here are the things that are included over here. One Galaxy smooth milk, one Galaxy caramel, one Galaxy salted caramel, one Galaxy cookie crumble, delicious, and two Galaxy ripples. Okay, so we are gonna open it. So I just saw this tag, so I guess we have to push and open it. So come, let's start. So we are a big family, so we are all gonna do it online. Starting. Pepl. Here is the great opening. Good, I can't even open it. So I'm gonna try to open it. Okay guys, I guess I figured out. Push that in and then gonna pull it out. Oh yes. Okay, now it's uncomfortable like that, so I'm just gonna try to pull it slowly. I don't want the box to get torn because this is such a good box. Okay guys, I just figured out like this. Yep, good. We can see the things. Oh, this is supposed to go there, I guess. Oh my goodness, you know, like the Dairy Milk Grand packaging, I get reminded of that. So come, here it is. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, quick update. It's not even an update, like I can't even open it. I have to like bend this cover. Good, I guess now I can open it. So are you ready to see? 3, 2, 1. Let's see it. These Oh my gosh, look, so awesome. Like I don't know where to start. Look, like if you can notice, I don't think it's okay. Wait, Rabi, okay, here look, the small snowflakes, and like they're in every corner, which is amazing. So we are gonna start like this. Let's just read one by one, and I'm gonna show you the comparison, and let's see if these are same with the pictures. Okay, so come. So the first one is Galaxy Smooth Milk. Okay, I'm gonna get the Galaxy Smooth Milk out. Okay, here it is. Okay guys, showing that the wrapper is white for all of these, but actually no, that doesn't matter that much. Okay, so we're gonna keep this in the side. Then it's Galaxy Caramel. So oh sorry, here is the Galaxy Caramel. Oh my god, I love the texture of the wrappers. So here it is. Like they show like the chocolate parts in these, but they don't show the chocolate parts in the real wrappers, so it's okay. There's no, guys, say me if you want me to open all of these. I do like one ASMR opening. Wait, I didn't even read. Galaxy salted caramel. Okay, so it's like in one of the caramel collections, and here it is. And where is the smooth caramel? No. Wait, what? Okay, yeah. Here it is. Okay, it's blue little here, but like the same thing I said, that it's not brown like the whole wrapper, and they don't show the chocolate part. So here is the third one. We're just gonna keep them like this. Oh, the next one is Galaxy, my favorite one. Okay, Galaxy chocolate cookie crumble. Okay, so this has to be the best, seriously. So tasty. Like, are they cookie crumbles or does it taste? I have no idea. So here it is. I can't wait for that. Okay, and now time for the last one. Galaxy ripples. Here it is. Okay, I'll just open the hobo. Oh, I didn't even notice that there's snowflakes over here. Okay, is it in the ripples place? Oh yes. And then here are the ripples. So these are like those chocolate which is named as flute. So here we're having those. So I'm just gonna decorate it. Perfect. So here is all the things we got. It looks so tasty. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Get the tiger in the blow. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, whatever. Okay, guys. So here it is, our amazing opening. So I'll just show you a close-up of every single one of them. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is the Galaxy one, and I just noticed that these ones are having like a silky texture like this, but this one is like having a lot of air inside. And for 1 second I thought this is like the Starbucks one because I was doing it from far. And here it is. So I would like to say that the colors, like the pictures that they show, they usually differ from them, but the chocolate might taste good. So same if you want to do ASMR chocolate eating of these. And I love you guys so much. Bye. This is the end of the video.